Nigel D'Souza, and the stock on his radar is a company that deals with the oil and gas space but has shifted its revenue mix to gas dehydration. The company has a high dependence on orders from ONGC but has revenue visibility for about 5 years. Nigel, which one is this?
Well, Sonia, the stock that I'm talking about is Deep Industries. If you take a look at it, they were always into compression as well as drilling rigs. But as you said, in the last year or so, they've shifted their focus to gas dehydration, and that in fact is now 45% of their total book, and they're looking at maintaining it at around 50% of their total revenues going ahead. What exactly is that? That involves cleansing of gas and in fact removing all water and the likes. That's what in fact gas dehydration is all about. The promoters have been hiking stake as well in the company. If you take a look at the last few years, it's moved from around 58.9% to around 70%. There was a warrants issue as well, and post that as well, they have been hiking stake. Even in the last couple of quarters, they have hiked stake by around 1.5%. Financials, what they've done in 9 months of this financial year has superseded what they did in the entire of last year. So that as well is important. For example, they've done a revenue of around 114 crores. That compares with the whole of last year, which they did around 101 crores. And profitability, this year they've done around 28 crores. We got one more quarter to go. But the entire of last year, they did only around 21 crores. Now, moving on, then if you see the revenue in the last few years, it's moved from around 50 crores all the way to around 100 crores. And they've already done around 114 crores. Extrapolate that, they've done around 20% CAGR. And for this year, they should do in excess of around 160 crores approximately if you extrapolate what they've been doing. Moving on, then if you just take a look at what is the company about? The order book is at around 900 crores. The good or the bad part is that 50% of that is dependent on ONGC. So if things go wrong, then in fact it couldn't be such a good thing. But as of now, 50% of their total order book. And what 900 crores means is that they have visibility for the next 5 to around 6 years at least. Finally, the stock has corrected a goodish bit from the high point that we saw in November 2015. It's corrected more than 30%. But in the last 1 year, that's 1 year from today, the stock, in fact, has gained close to around 175%. So, yes, it's had a good run. Back to you.
All right, Nigel, thanks a lot for that. So that's